Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am going to talk about sumif function. I think this video is very important. So let's get started. Sum if first bracket select item, then comma, then select this cell, then comma, then select price, then first bracket complete. You see price. If I input item, then price automatic coming mobile 60,000. You see mobile 5 piece 15,000 and mobile 16,000 and 15,000 and 14,000, total 60,000. Then computer 1 lakh, computer 50,000, 50,000, total 1 lakh. If I input tab 40,000, tab 20,000 and 20,000, total 40,000. Thank you everyone. I think this video is very important. If you like this channel, please subscribe this channel.